Hello everyone, I took this image here for you to see how epilepsy could work through its pathways. Okay, so we have a component diet that may affect the gut microbiota, causing an alteration. We have the HPA axis compromised by epilepsy, and this HPA axis will release cortisol into the bloodstream. The cortisol will stimulate cytokines like interleukin-1 beta, TNF-alpha, and also interleukin-18. Cortisol will stimulate immune cells to work, and these immune cells will mediate a response to the gut microbiota walls. Okay, and here cortisol will also stimulate the enteric muscles. Epilepsy will generate a stimulus that will go through vagus nerve until the intestinal walls, and also the products of bacteria and things like that could produce neurotransmitters like GABA and 5-HT. Also tryptophan metabolism and shorty fatty acids. Okay, there is another component that microbiota can interfere in the endocannabinoid system that will be closely related to the disease epilepsy. Okay, so this is the first image that I would like to show to you. Let me pass for the second. Here we have two bidirectional communications, brain gut microbiota and gut microbiota brain. Okay, here we have the gut microbiota alteration. This will lead to a peripheral inflammation that will go to neuroinflammation that will enhance epilepsy development. Okay, so microbiota is related also with the epilepsy development. Here we have an afferent pathway from the brain to the intestinal wall to the gut microbiota. We have glial and neuroactivation, and we will have here disruption of the hematoencephalic barrier, and also it will activate the immune system, and this will cause modifications into the gut barrier. Also, we have the immunological system affecting this bidirectional way. Okay. One thing that I am noticing reading all these diseases, it's that the immunological pathway is present in the most of them. This is the last image that I would like to show to you. And here we have a ketogenic diet with high fat and low carbohydrates. It will induce gut microbiota that will induce colonic luminal metabolome, and also to remember metabolome is the total quantity of metabolites in the bloodstream. Okay, and this quantity of metabolome will affect the brain metabolites, increased levels of GABA and glutamate content. This will increase the seizure and susceptibility. Okay, so this here are some images for you to see how epilepsy may be related to gut microbiota. Okay, thank you very much.